Hey guys, this is Jess, coming at you with one of my Henri Bendel hauls. I got to it today! Okay, so let's open up this one. This is a bag that I had been looking for a long time. I actually found it post-birthday, like summer 2017, so this is like really special to me. I absolutely love this color. Let's go ahead and open it up. I haven't opened any of these since I bought them. So I'm so excited. Ah, polka dots, because who doesn't love that? Guys, it's gorgeous. Look at all this stuff. Oh my god. Ta-da! Guess what it is? Ready? Love their dust bags, always so hefty. Nice thick like cotton twill fabric, mixed fabric. It's got the beautiful Henri Bendel gold logo, made in New York. That's where I'm from, by the way. Hey! I don't know how to act, but this is it. This is my Henri Bendel West 57th backpack in the beautiful saffron leather. Absolutely gorgeous. Am I right? You know I am. Stunning too. And then I got it monogrammed. Well, actually I put my nickname from childhood, Pinky. I love it. Because I was hella super duper light skin. I had like pink undertones. My mom thought I was Italian with gray eyes when I was born. But no, I was a cute little black baby. Obviously my eyes aren't gray anymore. They definitely turned brown soon after birth. But yeah, Pinky's my nickname. Love it. Look at these big solid like duotone metals that Henri Bendel uses. They're freaking awesome. The gold and silver together. Love it. And we got 2 slip pockets here. And inside is all still stuff. Guys, this is like so excited to film with you guys. Lots of my friends have been telling me to do this for years, and shout out to Kristen and Masha and Weston. You guys are all giving me like great advice to branch out from the blog that I started years ago. But I love purses. I love handbags. Like, they're my most favorite thing in the world since I was like this small. Practically came out of my mom's womb. Flashing the burst, okay? But here's the inside. It's got this really great pocket here. And it has on a leather tag, it says Henri Bendel, and it's a nice large size, good size pocket, fits about up to here on my knuckles. Then it's got the tag, it just says medium pink, but I can't remember what this particular shade is called, but it's stunning. It's this beautiful, like, I don't know, like rich salmon. It's a chameleon because in brighter lights it looks like a really light, like peach, and then in other lights mostly it's a coral. It's most definitely a coral, but look how super pink it looks in the video. I think it's awesome. Bendel story, and this was the tag. Okay, forget it. It's not even in stock anyway in this color. Nowadays they have a cute little dinghy where you can hang things on. If I want to put anything, I have to try to fit it through this hole, which is not too bad of a size, or hang it from the handles, or the zipper pulls. And so yeah, that's the only pocket on the inside, but it's beautiful. And it's got that signature Henri Bendel lining. Love it. Nice sturdy handle here on top. Got the archy straps in the back. Guys, I'm freaking stoked. Like, it's so crazy. Mom and I were talking about it the other day. I was like, look at my closet. I have tons of these Henri Bendel boxes with all my birthday gifts from last year and other things that I've picked up over the past year, including the beginning of this year, 2018, and I just never opened it because I've been wanting to film, and My skin kept breaking out, my nails kept breaking, all these things kept happening. I kept like putting it off because I didn't, like I was gaining weight or losing, like I just, excuses. Well, today is the day to start anew. Let's get them out the way. Just absolutely love them. And the straps are also adjustable. And then they have these great tabs you can stick it in, because I hate when they're just like flailing in the wind. Like, who wants to deal with a bag like that? So let me close this up, take off all my extra wrappings because they're unnecessary. And then I'll zip the bag. Let's see what it looks like on, y'all. So this is on one shoulder. This is the one too. Or if you like, you can also wear it in hand, like so. Absolutely love it. So cute. Actually, should I do that in this video? I don't know. I'm so excited, guys. Like, I wanted this forever. Oh yes, and look how big this pocket is in the back. It goes all the way down. Like, woo! You can fit so much back there. Let me see. I bought some accessories to go with this bag that came out that came out a few months after I bought this. So let's go ahead and open that up. So I'll put that down. This is all Henri Bendel haul, guys. So I'm still on Henri Bendel. Henri Bendel girlfriend's case and the full yard print in the port. So I had been dying for this. I did use it once already. But see, it wasn't wrapped. I just wanted to try it out when I got it. So this is a case that matches my planner, actually. Isn't it awesome? And so this is the iPhone 7a. I have an iPhone 7, so it fits perfectly. And it actually goes all the way around, so it's like great. I actually, when I tried it out, you see that little brownish spot right here? I dropped it on the floor actually when I was shopping in Bendel's. Well, window shopping I was supposed to be doing, but that's another video. I'll show you what I got then. So I got this. And actually the piece, this is actually still available. So now I have the port full yard case to go with my bag. I thought that would be cute together. Let's open it up. Can't show it with you on my phone because I'm filming with my phone. Look at that full yard print. All leather, Saffiano. And then I got gold foil stamped with my nickname Pinky to match the set because that's why I wanted it. Together, I thought these colors look bomb, right? It's silly. Don't mind me, guys. I don't wear that much pink, to be honest. Pink lipstick. I love pink lipstick. Oh my god. And this is my favorite, guys. It's I think Spellbound from CoverGirl. Yeah, I've been wearing that for years and years and years. Initially, one of my favorite lipsticks, like when I started wearing makeup in college, it was Lancome's All Done Up. Oh my god, that color was the perfect blend of fuchsia and plum for my complexion. Like, it was just stunning, stunning. And I remember they discontinued it, and I used to buy it on, like, I bought like a ton of them. Well, not a ton, it was a few though, from a seller on eBay, and it was so hard for me to find it. And then finally one day I saw this in CoverGirl, at the pharmacy, I think maybe Walgreens, and I was like, you know what? It's brighter, it's more fuchsia than plum, like the All Done Up, but it works. And I mean, you know, I don't mean to toot my own horn, but I love this color and I think it looks great on me, so why not? So here is the matching cosmetic case that I got to contrast with this backpack. my god, I love it. It also says pinky on it too. So I have that. I have the phone case. I thought they were mega hot together, right? So this is the small Foliard cosmetic leather case, and also in Saffiano leather, just like the phone case. Also Saffiano leather, just like the bag. But the color is port. I think they're fabulous together. Let's see how they actually fit. Oh yeah, let me actually take this tassel because I don't want to mess it up, and let's see how they fit in these side pockets. In the back, just I can drop it in, right? The top of the case is right here, so iPhone 7 works perfectly. Put it down. I think the pluses work great too. I think Miss Tamika has one in like a beautiful like lemon drop sort of color. Stunning. Hey, Miss Tamika. And her iPhone Plus fits straight down in the back, and it's stunning. Front pocket. If you want to put your phone in the front pocket, the 7 stands up, but you can't zip it up. It's right there. But you can lay it down, and it's right here, right? And it's just got room to spare. And then on the side, it's a really tight fit. I think your phone without a case in the regular iPhone 7, 8, or 6, because they're approximately the same size, iPhone 6, 7, and 8. Without a case would definitely fit in here. It's very tight, and this case it's thin. It's not very thick at all. Let's see how the cosmetic case would fit in it. How much space I would have if I used this one. I didn't really consider that. I'm more into like colors. I'm an artist. I was just like, I totally think that this portfolio art is going to complement this bag, and then like I wanted to wait to videotape it before I use it because I'm retarded. Sorry, that's not a good word to use, is it? Because I'm silly. I'm very silly, guys, if you haven't noticed. So that all looks fabulous together. Maybe I'll unstuff this so you can see what it looks like without anything in it. So the cosmetic case is very similar to the Louis Vuitton toiletries in that, except for it's not a coated canvas, it's actual Saffiano leather with its beautiful foliard print on it. It's got a pull tab, a beautiful metal zipper, and the inside, like most of Henri Bendel's products, is lined in a beautiful sateen. And it actually has a little pocket here also with the Henri Bendel brand story, and with the Henri Bendel tag. The price has taken off because I had it wrapped, so I guess they thought it was a gift for someone else, but now it's a gift for me. Right? And it's got that classic Henri Bendel tag, and on a nice beautiful white and gold leather trim piece here, leather patch, and here's the little pocket. You can go all the way down to my knuckle. See that? The pocket on the inside of the case goes from side to side, the whole width of the cosmetic case, but and almost close to the top. You see? Very nice. And as usual with Henri Bendel zippers, fluid. Oh my gosh, so fluid. Love that. So that's it, guys. Thanks for joining me. Alright, guys. So that's it for today. Have a great one, alright? And an awesome weekend. Bye for now. This is Jess signing out.